Hi guys, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you how I made this wig. So I got the hair from Ridgewood, a vendor from Aliexpress that I've used before but wasn't a big fan of the first time, but I figured, hey, everyone's deserving of second chances. So as you saw, that I used the 18, 18, 20, 20 bundles, and I got a 20 closure. So here I'm just sewing on the closure. I think this is when I finished sewing on the closure. The hair did not feel good at all to me during this time. I think you're going to hear that later on in this video, but the end result will actually surprise you. So right there, I'm showing you that I'm about to use the 20-inch bundle. I'm sorry if I'm going really fast. I was supposed to put out this video pretty much like a year ago, and I'm now doing it. Don't judge me. So I've used 3 bundles so far. So 3 bundles, and this is the result of how my hair was looking. And yeah, I'm gonna just let you enjoy the rest of this video. So right here, I'm just cutting the thread because the thread is could no longer be of use. I'm not doing this voiceover again. So I pretty much take the hair that I'm using and I'm looping it around in like this U kind of shape. So once I finish on one side, I literally just flip it over and I continue stitching it. I'm trying to avoid cutting it as much as possible because that is a part of the reason why hair tends to shed, is because when people cut the wefts, the hair becomes disheveled and it becomes something that, like it just starts coming out. And if you hear any purring or anything like that, that is my cat, so I apologize in advance. But now I am just looping it through the after I loop it through the needle, I loop it into and I'm stitching it onto the wig cap. I usually loop it 3 times, at least I did in this video, but later on in my future videos you will see that I only do it twice now because I don't like how the knots feel when you're like brushing through your hair, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's all that I'm pretty much doing. I'm just looping it 3 times, although I recommend you just do it twice because it's just as secure 2 times as it is 3 times. And I only recommend doing it 3 times when you're ending the that strip that you added on. I recommend that you only do 3 when you're officially ending it. So when you get to the very corner, you could cut it and then loop it and go to the other side. So I just wanted to record, say hi to my cat, my little baby. Say hi, Mars. Okay, so this is where I am at this point. You see how I'm doing the little U, and how I'm stitching is I would take the needle, loop it 3 times, and then pull it. That way it'll be nice and steady. Mars, you cannot be in my video, can you please? So pretty much, look at my baby. Look at my baby. Okay, Mars, no. So that's pretty much how I'm doing this wig, and then I'll start U-ing it until eventually I can just go straight to connect it to here. And I still have Marshall tail. I still have 2 more. Sir! I still have 2 more bundles left to finish it. But texture wise, just like right out the package onto the thing, I really don't like it. It just feels like, I don't know, it feels nasty compared to all the other kind of hair that I've had. And I'm cutting the wefts either. Like this time I'm literally like looping it around so that it will stay. He's my friendly cat. My white cat, she's more stubborn, well, stuck-uppy. But yeah, I don't like the texture. I'm probably gonna wash it right after I finish it. I'm not going to film everything. If you want everything, just subscribe to my channel so you can get an in-depth of how I personally do my wigs. But yeah, this is how it's turning out so far. This is the closure right here. I just have it pinned, and I will see you guys when everything really, Mars. I will talk to you guys or see you guys when I finish with the entire hair and I'm washing it. What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? Okay, anyway, I'm sorry. So this is all I got done. It is 12:31 at night. And this is 2 of these little packs so far. And I know that I'm like ruining like a true sneak peek, but look at the lashes that Ali Annabelle video coming soon gave me compared to the lashes that Ridgewood gave me. Like, really? Yikes. So we all know whose lashes I'm gonna prefer, but you know, I'm gonna give these ones a try. You know, I'm gonna do a makeup look with this hair tomorrow, or I'm gonna just wear my rainbow wig if anything. Yeah, and then my cat just keeps sitting on everything. Mars. Thank you. So, just a little sneak peek of everything that I'm doing behind the scenes and stuff like that. But yeah, like, I think I'm gonna give this wig to my mother. It's Mother's Day coming up soon. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna buy my mother some hair and then just make a wig anyway. Oh, I'm watching Code Geass. If y'all watch anime, for my anime lovers, that's what I'm watching. So this is all that I got done at 12:31. You can see all the marks that I've made just to, and my white thingy ran out, so I have to use my Crayola crayon at this point. Thank God for art. And I will be finishing this in the morning. Morning, guys. It is officially 10, I want to say 10:30, 10 o'clock. And this is all that I've gotten done. I started at 9 and I'm a little bit more focused and I'm getting better at my technique, my own technique. And if you want an in-depth video about that, please like, share, and subscribe. But yeah, I have like 2 more bundles still left. This is about, I think this is the second bundle that I just finished using and everything. So I went around and I ended up cutting the weft when I started getting to this point in order to bring it, where are you? So to bring it down next to the closure, but I'm not stitching the weft to the closure. I'm actually stitching very close next to it. So in the future, if I want to change the closure, I could just take it off and put back another closure if I wanted to. But yeah, I started cutting the wefts around here, like once I started making the U, and I cut the weft over here as well because I did it to the same thing to the other side. If you can see it, I don't know if you can. Yeah, so I just brought it down. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I just used the little piece that I had left and I created this, it created like this square box shape. Hopefully I'll just record me finishing up the closing and then just cutting the from the wig cap. And I think my grandmother has elastic that she uses for her clothes, so I'll probably just use that instead of cutting the bottom part and just using it as an elastic band to hold on to my wig. And then I have to bleach the closure so that it matches my skin tone. So that's all that I have to work on, and I will come back after well, I'm taking a shower, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll come back with the finishing touches and I'll just record me finishing up this little U part. Okay, so I finished the wig finally. It is like 12:14 and I just pretty much did a U all the way until it was like a V, like this. And then I just put this one, well, you can actually see it. Yeah, so I just kind of did it like that until it made that V right there, and then I just stitched this one down so that it could cover it, and that's about it. Now I'm about to cut the wig cap so that this space will be shown. Actually, I can show it now that it's done. but I'm using my phone, okay guys, like that's a lot. So I'm gonna just cut that black piece of the wig cap, and then I'm gonna bleach I'm thinking about bleaching some of the hair, because honestly it's like I want to make it stylish, you feel me? So I'm gonna just cut this, bleach the lace front, probably bleach some of the thingy, and then I'll be back with the final result. So basically I am now cutting the wig cap, like I said, to make it, not make it, what am I saying? So that you know it's out. I ended up not putting any elastic band on my hair because I didn't really need one. My head is pretty small as it is. So here I'm just getting ready to cut the wig cap, that little extra piece that where the lace is, so that way it could be transparent, that way you can see through it and all that. And that's me cutting carefully around the perimeter, so that way all of my hard stitching that I did for the last 2 days did not come out. And then eventually somewhere in this clip you're going to see pretty much what it's going to look like when you're cutting the closure, you know. Look and learn. So like I said, I didn't put an elastic band on my hair. I didn't see the point. And I think after this, all I did was bleach the knots inside of the closure. And then I believe I washed it right after I made the wig. And when you're washing it, I'll give you a tip towards the end of the video to see. So I cut everything out. And that's what it looks like. I'm just trying it on to make sure that it looks proper, that it at least looks like something. And here, I didn't really like it still, because I was like, the texture feels and looks nasty. But you'll see what it looks like after I've finished washing it. Okay guys, so this is, oh sorry for my pot belly, but this is the final product. So you see the lace, I cut it already. It looks like a wig, I know, but I kind of just wanted this wig to be like a slap-on kind of wig. Let me turn off the TV. So this is my final product. Overall review, I like the texture of the hair now that it's washed. I don't like the fact though that I have to wet it constantly to get like this wavy kind of thing, because look, this part is dry and this part is wet, so you can see the difference in the texture. I'm not too sure how to like really fix that. Don't worry girl, I got you. I finally learned how to fix that. It's called got to be glue, okay? Once you wet the hair, spray a little bit of got to be glue in your hair, and it will definitely make the curls that you want, the wet curls, the wet and wavy look, to stay how you want it to stay. This is a 2018 and 18. I only used 3 bundles of the hair. If I could find like the last bundle to show. I kind of knocked it over, but yeah, this is all that I have left back from doing the hair. I didn't want it too full, so yeah. That's pretty much it for this hair. I like the texture. It delivered really fast. This is Ridgewood, I believe. I don't think I said the name in the very beginning. So this is Ridgewood hair. Overall, I like this hair as like a lazy day, don't feel like putting on no got to be glue kind of day. Oh yeah, and I bleached it. It takes bleach kind of well. Like you can see the little piece that I bleached just to like test it or whatever. But yeah, I'm like rushing because I'm trying to go see my friend and give her this gift for her baby or whatever. So if you like this video, just please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this with your friends or whatever the case may be. If you want more videos, like a detailed video, just comment that down below. And if I get a certain amount of views or whatever, I'll put up more. And he knows I'm recording, so that's why he's being cautious. Say hi, Marcy. Say hi, Mars. Okay, well, anyway, just please like Mars, get out of my way. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Mars. Say bye. Say bye-bye.